Imagine you have your own Indian-based AI model that can understand you, that can understand the context, your regional language, forms, customer support, etc.
Sarvam AI.
Sarvam AI.
Sarvam AI, an AI brand, Sarvam, developed by a Bengaluru-based company. The platform based on software and data is
These are AI models that do variety of things.
In this video, I'm going to talk about Sarvam AI, which is an Indian AI for Indian people. If you would like to know more, stay tuned with me till the end of this video. Okay guys, first of all, what is Sarvam? Over here, you would get some of the information on their official page. It's an AI for all from India. We are building towards a future where AI is widely accessible to everyone in India. That means your parents, small businesses, to understand the context of India and also the accent which is very familiar to you. Right now, they are using a model and this model can understand 11 languages from India. I know there are more than hundreds of languages, but this is a significant step towards the AI innovation in India. If you are coming over here, I'm going to provide a link in the description section. But before I move forward, if you are looking to grow in your career, to make your life better, smarter, and you would like to get familiar with AI and all the day-to-day life AI related videos, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, hit the thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. If you would go over here, underneath you're going to find the founders of this startup or the company by Dr. Vivek Raghavan and Pratush Kumar, and they are also hiring. If you would like to make your career in AI, they are also hiring, so you can just simply click over here, join their team, and you can see the opportunities are available. Now coming to the main part, what are the functionalities this AI is offering? Definitely right now this is not about coding or reasoning and all. Still you can use the global models such as Gemini, or you may go for ChatGPT. But here, once you would come at your home page, once you are gonna sign in, you can just link your Google account with this, or you can create a separate account. I have done using my Google account. You are gonna get about 1000 credits over here. That may be 1300 or 1000, I'm not sure, but right now it's showing 1000. And here I'm gonna give you one sample that how does it sound. So once you're gonna come over here, just listen to this voice, you would find it very familiar.
नमस्ते, सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत है। सो बेसिकली हम इंडिया की हर लैंग्वेज को वॉइस देते हैं, चाहे आप हिंदी बोलते हो, तमिल, तेलुगु, बंगाली, मराठी, गुजराती.
So right now they are saying all the languages, but I don't believe that. I think there are some limited number of languages, but still it's a huge step towards that. Then also you can enable if you would like to tell the story. This. And then you can also go with the deep voice for ad tech and media. Isn't it great? Well, this is about when you are converting your text to speech, but there are different ways. For example, first one was text to speak, but if you're going to come to Vision, here you can upload your document and then you can extract the data from them. It's pretty simple. You can also go either for Turbo or Pro. So these are the different models that you can use. It can even scan your PDFs and complex layout, more than 22 languages. Imagine you are going over there with your some property documents and you don't know what is right over there and you need to understand them. So you can scan it over here and then you can talk more about that. Then there's a speech to text as well. You can start speaking and then it's going to record it. So let's try this out. Hi there. We are making people's life better, smarter, and more innovative. And here we are using Sarvam AI. I believe this is one of the greatest model for India by the Indian people. Now you can simply download it. I'm not sure what is happening, but this is where you can do it. And guys, don't worry about it. Try it yourself and I'm sure it's going to work perfectly fine. Then you can also do the translation from different languages and it's going to do over here. Right now you can see that it's using in English. So combination of Hindi and English, and that's why it's translating by this way. But if you're going to write simply English, it's going to translate it to the language that you want it. There's also new version is coming, video dubbing, and this is going to be a game changer for a lot of people who would like to edit their videos, or let's say there's a movie where they would like to dub it, then there won't be any need for dubbing artist over there, and it can do it automatically. Yeah, this may sound challenging for some of the people, but trust me, this is also going to help in a lot better way. Then you can track your usage over here, you can track your billing, and also there's a pricing over here. If you are just want to use pay as you go, you can use it, or you can also use 10,000 and then get pro. So guys, this was all about Sarvam, the latest AI for Indian people. And if you are looking forward to it, do try it out and do let me know, comment in the comment section, what do you feel about it? Do share your feedback. This is Ajay Kumar, this is ThriveWing, and if you're looking forward to build a smarter life, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I'm gonna see you in our next video.